How to make video for YouTube channel with AI. First, you need a script. I generate this script by ChatGPT. You can do the same. For video creation, click on the link in the description and create an account. Now click here. Choose Google account here. Now choose your Gmail from here to continue. Your free trial account has been created and you can use it now. Click on this option, Script to Video. Paste your script. Click here on this option to continue. Your video is ready now, but you have to do some customizations. Change each slide if you want by click on the screen and then click on Visual section in the menu. Type your desired words and click on that to change it. If you need to upload your own images or videos, you can upload it from my upload option here. With Pictory, you can make AI videos good and high quality. Add voiceover and background music from audio part. For each part, you have some filters for genre and mood and anything else you see here. You can listen to the voices or music by click on the play button here. And then to set it on your video, just click on Apply button. The voiceovers are perfect. You can listen to them through the link in description. You can adjust the volume from this part at the end. Style section is for subtitle. Click to change. Or you can change it from the toolbar above. If you want portrait format or square format, just click on Format option in the menu. As you can see, Pictory AI is an easy AI tool to generate videos in any niches. It's perfect for anyone who wants to create videos without much time and special editing skill. Your video is ready now. You can watch the preview from this option. And if everything was good, click here to download the video. This was a short step-by-step tutorial, but I explained every important things for you. Please like and subscribe. You can use lifetime coupon code in the description. For long tutorial, watch other videos in the channel.